To do a little bit of documenting. This is my Atari 1040 ST. This is from 1986, and there's the program that I'm running on it right now. That's a C-Lab notator, and I'm using that to do a little bit of translating, transforming, and this is just as old, well actually almost as old, I think in 86. Could look at the documentation. The only thing that's not the original is the mouse, which I had to replace about 25 years ago. But other than that, it's still up and running and working just fine. Thank you very much. And here's the computer that I normally use for my main production work. And this is a Windows 98 Audio Logic, it's called. Basically the same company, but it produced this for the PC. And I've been developing approaches to software design within this computer. And you notice I put a sign up there, use the native language of the customer. So this is my philosophy, is that I use the native language of the customer being a musician, say a keyboard player, and I use their language. If they speak English, if the user speaks English, then use English. If the user speaks French, then use French. And of course, for an English-speaking musician, the person speaks English and they speak the language of notes. And so I use notes in my design ideas, my design projects. And here's a simple example I'm using right now. This is my screen for tempo notes. So I'll just show that it's written in English there at the top there, tempo notes. And we have a little bit of a rhythm. We'll get a rhythm going, and I'm going to record some tempo notes, and we'll see what happens. So if I go with a low note, low means slow. So a low note slows the music right down. A high note, say up here, high note, all of a sudden the music's going fast. Slow it down. Bring it up to speed a bit more. Maybe we'll slow it way down. Haha, this will be silly. Way too slow. There we go. That's faster. So this is there we go. That's just some little bit of rock and roll pattern. And the idea is, of course, that the user, in this case a keyboard player, gets to use their language for inputting data. And I myself use tempo notes because I just find them intuitive, and I get to continue playing on the keyboard, and I just scroll around until I find the right feel in any given section of the song and poke the notes in, and it's done.